Hey guys, Coach here for Plant of the Week. This particular one, I'm going kind of on the annual thread this week. This is something that I'd like you to try if you love the look of impatiens, but maybe you just got too much shade. This, the sun patient or New Guinea impatient, tends to take up to a half a day of sun. It does okay in filtered sun, but if you want it to have a good color cover, then a good 6-8 hours of sun in its zone area. It is kind of a subtropical plant, really good in containers, but it doesn't like anything below 40 degrees. It'll shrivel and die on you. But this time of year, if you grow it as an annual, my gosh, look at the size of those blooms compared to a regular impatient. These guys go about 12 to 14 inches tall and about the same width. So you can make a great tall border around the outside of the lawn. You can do containers on the patio. You can do a perennial layer and have one of these as one of the layers in between a perennial bed. And look at the foliage, very tropical and oftentimes almost reddish stem to them. So there's quite a contrast that goes on there. But sun patiens or New Guinea impatiens, something you might want to check out next time you're at the garden center, and look at those blooms. Oh my gosh, you know, and if you can imagine that just covering, the one thing it cannot stand is super wet feet. It likes to dry just slightly. You can keep it evenly moist and then water it, you know, depending on what your weather situation is. Water it twice a week. Feed it once a month in a container. Feed it 4 times a year through the growing season. Man, this nursery is so busy, I'm probably having to scream just for you guys to hear me. New Guinea Impatiens, I think you'll love them. Check them out. Guys, I'll catch you next week. Thanks for staying a few